everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a review of the new Olaplex No.9, the Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. I actually just got this today in the mail. I was literally showering, did my whole routine, did my makeup, and as soon as I looked down on my phone it says that it was delivered, so I was like, perfect timing. My hair was about to be dried and you're supposed to use it before blow drying anyways. So I went ahead and did this review for you guys and tested the product out so you guys can see. I decided to film it for YouTube today. So if you guys want to see what I think about the new Olaplex No.9, then please keep on watching. Don't forget to follow me down below on my socials and give this video a big thumbs up if you find it helpful. And yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how Olaplex No.9 works, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, okay, so this is the serum, the Olaplex No.9. I actually just got it in the mail, like I already mentioned. So it says on the back, directions: apply a small amount to damp, towel dried hair, working upward from ends to roots, add more as needed, air dry for soft texture, blow dry for a smooth finish, diffuse for waves or curls. So my hair is damp. I actually did shower right before filming, and for products in the shower I use the Watery Detox shampoo, the Olaplex No.5 conditioner. Is that, yeah, is it the 5? Yeah, I think it is. And then I actually used the Olaplex No.3 treatment as well before, which I don't know if that was a good or a bad idea because I have the serum with me to use and I just wasn't thinking of using it, so, but I already used it. And I just got this in the mail. So like I said, I just showered and did my full-on hair product thing, and usually right after the shower my usual duo is, actually I have it right here, is Olaplex No.6 and No.7, the bonding oil. So I'll usually mix these two after, but I really want to try this serum obviously, and I don't know if I should use all these products together or not, because No.6 is more of like a cream for styling right before blow drying. I don't know if I should like use all of these together. So okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to use the serum along with the oil for now and see how it works out, because like I said, I already used the Olaplex No.3 hair mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So it comes with a big pump, which I actually remember the No.6 used the No.8, which I also tried in another video. I think it originally did not come with a pump and then it did, or the No.6 that I have doesn't come with a pump, but now the No.6, like, they like revamped it and it does come with one. So there is a pump. There's also a pump to the 8 that I originally tried, but yeah, this is the No.9, and I'm just gonna apply some. Okay, so I was not expecting that. As you guys can see, it's like a really watery consistency and it smells just like all the other Olaplex products. It smells really, really nice. So it says to work down, up, and upwards towards like your roots, so I guess I'm just gonna do that. And already it's actually leaving my hair like really, really soft. It's like very serumy, like soft. And my hair is damp, like I said. I'm gonna use some more on this side because I feel like I got too much over here and not enough here. And it says all the way up to the roots. I usually don't put a lot of product on my roots actually, so, and I think right away I'll notice a difference of what this product would do differently than all the other ones that I have from Olaplex, because at this point, like, I'm really used to what each product does. So I'm just gonna do that, and I want to go ahead and add the oil as well and see what happens. So I'm gonna add the oil. And I love this oil. You guys have seen me use, like, I've done like I think 2 videos reviewing this oil. I reviewed it when I very first got my hands on it, when it very first came out, and I fell in love with it ever since. And then I did a review like of an empty bottle product, and this is I think my second bottle of Olaplex, and like a very little amount goes a long way. and I just really love this. I've tried a lot of different oils, different hair care brands. Like I feel like I've tried all of Sephora at this point, but yeah, I really love their oil. So right now I don't really notice anything. The only thing I've noticed so far for the number 9 serum is just like how soft it left my hair whenever I first applied it. It's very like jelly-like consistency. But like I said, I went ahead and did the oil, and now what I'm gonna do for my hair is I'm actually gonna blow dry it and kind of like not really give myself a blowout, just kind of like tame it and like make it nice and smooth and see what I can do. And I'm gonna use this dry bar brush, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, you guys, so I'm done blow drying my hair. I just smoothed it out because I didn't really like do a whole lot of, you know, volume waves or anything. But this is what my hair looks like. I really like it. I feel like it's smooth and like really like silky. Like I feel like when I use the difference, I feel like I'm really comparing this product to like the number 6. I feel like with the 6 it's more of like a cream base, and it just leaves my hair really soft and smooth. But with this I feel like it's more like silky, and like I really love the product, but at the same time I feel like it's like you don't have to use it, or you don't have to use both. I feel like you can do one or another. That's just in my opinion. So yeah, that's how I look at these products. So that is that, and yeah, this is how my hair turned out. Just smoothed it out because that's what I usually do. So that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. It did take me a minute to use and just not use anything. It just took me a minute to make this whole video because I definitely took a break in between and like how to do something, but I love the product. Again, I feel like it's very comparable to the number 6. I feel like it's just more like a water-like, jelly-like consistency, and number 6 is like a cream. So I feel like you can use either or in my opinion. I don't think you need to use both, but if you want to, then sure. I feel like it's very similar to skincare. Like there's hair masks, there's skin face masks, and then there's like serums, and then there's like your moisturizer, and then there's just like a bunch of stuff. And I feel like it's like for hair it's like becoming the same, and I love it. Like I want to use everything, like every single product that ever hits the market. Like I just want to try everything out, especially if it's from brands I already love. You guys know I already really love Olaplex. I've done so many videos of Olaplex here on my channel, and if you guys want to check those out, I'll have them linked down below in the description box, because I have done reviews on the shampoo, the conditioner, the bonding oil, which is like my favorite product ever. The number 3, I don't know if I ever reviewed it, but I definitely have used it and I mentioned it in videos. So if you guys want to see the playlist of those products along with other hair products and reviews that I have bought in over the past few years, and I'll leave everything down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.